going on YouTube? It's your boy the Funko Cop here with another hunt video today. But before I get started, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button below, somewhere down there. And if you're not new to the channel, of course, as always, welcome back. So, Hobbytown today is throwing a Gunpla Gundam build-off contest. I'm excited, y'all. My first time doing it. I remember a couple of years ago when I first got back into the hobby after watching the homie Jippy Zayal's video, shout out to him, that I told myself I wanted to enter it one day, and here it is. Here's the day. So I did go to North Carolina and do a little bit of hunting down there because I had training this week for work. So I want to show you, I want to sprinkle those clips in. I went to Walmart, GameStop, I think Target. That's all they really had. They didn't have like a Hot Topic or anything around. But I'm headed to Hobbytown now. We're about to pull up. I'll show y'all everybody else's setup, what other kits are in. They're doing like a little speed build as well, but I probably won't do that. The speed build is a Ultraman, even though I bang with Ultraman, y'all know that, but it's a Ultraman entry grade kit that it's $5. It's free, not free, but if I spend $5, I get the kit, even if I don't build. Really don't want it though, so we'll see y'all inside. I'm the Funko Cop. Thanks again for watching. Let's get it started. 10:41. Here at GameStop, they have a couple of Power Ranger figs, Spawn. They have the Rebel Tech GameStop exclusive. No, this ain't Rebel. What is this? I thought this was Rebel Tech. I don't know what this is. Just know that the homie Geeky Fresh and Hiroshima have been using that to take photos, which is dope. They also have Marvel Legends, Dr. Doom, Red Skull. Got a couple of, here we go. There you go, Black Widow 2-pack. And some DC figs. Metal, Robin King, Aquaman, Bizarro, and here goes over here some Star Wars. So we got some Gameverse stuff, Battlefront, a couple of 3/4 scale, and I think that's pretty much it. I mean, they have over here Starscream, statue, couple of Transforming Power Rangers and G.I. Joe statues. That's about it. Alright, that's it for GameStop, I guess. Battle Cat from the new Masters of the Universe. Skelly God, Skeletor, Evelyn behind him. Y'all seen Evelyn. Some more of the retro figs. Try to see. We have Bam Bam Bigelow, John Cena, AEW Jungle Boy, John Studd, more, and Venom Lego set right here. Couple of the Intercontinental Envy tag team for SmackDown. Would be dope if they came out with the old school belts. That's Marvel Legends on this side. Oh, yep. Marvel Legends on this side. So we have the Odin, has been popping up everywhere. Odin, more Odin. Happy in Mark 21 2-pack. That is pretty much it. Before everything else, like bots, Transformers, DCU, Shriek. I don't think I've ever seen this. Alright, that's it for Target. Alright, we're at the NECA and Funko section. See if we see anything. Well, I think that, yeah, the NECA. This is a pretty big section. So we got the cards for the homie Ricky. Chillin' Reigns. I see him opening this up. Battle Styles. Yu-Gi-Oh! Playmat. Some booster packs for football. NECA wise, the Predator, a couple of Predator figures, your horror stuff, Aliens, King Kong, Friday, a model kit of the X-Wing, Funko mini moments of Seinfeld, some Pops, nothing too crazy. David Robinson, Jerry, the 2-pack. This is Parks and Recs, Raven Spawn. That does look pretty dope. Maximal T-Rex. For model kits over here, we have Barbados, High Grade, Toggies, and Gundam Universe Fig, Wing Zero, Lupus Rex, one SH Fig. Shout out to the homie Ricky for that. Zaku, and that's pretty much it. Here in the Marvel Legends section, bots and stuff too. We got Wheeljack. We got some more Kingdom War of Cybertron series. Here, Space Jam, Headless LeBron, Baroness from the G.I. Joe line. I never really got into G.I. Joe. I know, shout out to the homie Ricky. That's his thing in his lane. But they are coming out with a figurized model kit of Snake Eyes that would probably, this will look dope beside an Ultraman figure. So I might pick this one up if this one ever goes on sale. I might pick this one up because I think that would be pretty cool beside a Ultraman. Any more Marvel Legends? Not a lot. Oh well, we have modular Iron Man, stealth suit, and then Dark Star, and another modular Iron Man. So, and it's ringing up at $17 right now. I mean, I know who the wrestlers are. Like, oh, Turbo Man, look at that. Golly. Look at that, boy. Man, I need to get one because I want to get Little Mama one. Because I told her the one that BPA got, we're not opening that. But man, look at all those. Sheesh. Got some more over here. Skelly God. The one BPH got the San Diego Comic-Con, I believe. It was crazy. Some AEW figures. Again, I have no clue who these guys are. I mean, I know Rey Mysterio, John Cena, The Fiend, Bray Wyatt, Randy Orton, of course. Why does he look like that? Alright, anything up top? More Turbo Man. That's pretty dope to see. Power Ranger wise, whole lot of Ninjas. Had this as a kid, it flipped right into that. Yep. But damn, Turbo Man is crazy. Alright, that's it for Walmart. NECA and Funko section and figures. So we have Easy 8, Goku Black, and Dragon Stars. We have Spike, Kiss figure. This is something I haven't seen in Walmart before. A normal, well, any SH figure art, to be honest with you. That's pretty cool. Glad I really don't need it. I mean, be good to have for scale purposes, but I have the Imagination Works Tamashii Nation, and that's what I'm going to be taking pictures with when I use a regular Goku. Pop wise, they have Masters of the Universe, Spike Lee, Hamilton, a couple of 10-inch pops, got some more, Ryan Howard, some more. Oh, it looks like they have some more figs on the stuff on the other side. We have some more Office Pops, Die Hard. Oh yeah, over here is just normal. Look like just roll over. Oh, there goes the NECA stuff. So we have Alien, Pennywise, King Kong, Alien Predator, another King Kong, Pan's Labyrinth. And here goes the 10-inch, more 10-inch. I thought they got rid of this. I thought they're not doing this one. The 10-inch Black Panther. But, alright. Appreciate y'all watching the hunt today. Went to a couple of different places while I was in North Carolina. Some of the places I did go to, I did look around, didn't record. I went inside Target, GameStop, Walmart I did record in. I did go to a Hobby Lobby after class one day, not expecting them to have anything, and they did have stuff, and I didn't record, so let me show y'all what I picked up. So Hobby Lobby normally runs like a 40% off of box model kits, cars, planes, Gundams, whatever. And there's only one Hobby Lobby in my area. When I went, they didn't have much. This Hobby Lobby was stacked. So I picked up, one thing I picked up was this model kit high grade Goof from 8th MS Team. Normally $21.99. I think I dropped down with 40% off, close to like $11 or something. Always wanted this model kit, especially in master grade, but y'all know me with this 1 and 144 scale size. The smaller sizes I'm getting into with the model kits or staying into. So I picked up this. Another kit that I picked up was the Starscream model kit by Flame Toys. I have to work on my Transformer model kits, man. And one is Starscream because I do have Megatron, and of course if you have Megatron you gotta have a Starscream. Not a lot of runners in this, so I want to paint this. I pretty much have all the colors I need, so I'm excited to paint this up and work on it. Last model kit I did pick up was the highly sought after Moon Gundam. The best thing to do for this kit is to get it at Hobby Lobby. It's normally going for $34. If y'all can see, $34.99. Came out to be like close to $17, $18. Sought after because it's known to be one of the, if not the best high grade known to date. And this is pretty dope. I'm already working on it, cut it up to pieces, cleaning them up, painted some pieces because I want to do a custom to it. So I am working on this one right here. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm gonna post the pictures at. And speaking of posting pictures and building model kits and stuff like that, I did, like I said in the video, enter into Hobby Town's Gunpla, kind of like a build-off contest. It was short notice. They even said it was like they didn't want to put it out, but they wanted to give us something because of COVID and everything like that. Then they gave us a week to get ready for it. Wind up putting in 2 kits. I put it in a high grade. I don't know if y'all can see it. No, you probably can't. But I put in a high grade gun cannon. That's that red mobile suit. I'll post a picture up here somewhere. From the original series. I didn't paint that. I decaled and weathered it and put a top coat on it. And I also put in this bad boy. We put in the Wing Gundam EW version, real grade. Threw the decals up there. Threw some smoke on the stand, make it look like he's taking off. Probably one of my frustrating and favorite builds of all time. I painted it. It used to be like bright yellow. I painted it metallic gold. And I put a top coat on it and threw heavy amount of decals up there. Like this decal, the shield decal, if y'all can see. I'll try to knock it off. And some more decals on the back. But one of my favorite builds, one of the most frustrating builds. Love Gundam Wing. We did get first place in the diorama category. Wasn't that many people into the diorama category. There was like, to be honest with you, 3 of us. And the other one was the mobile suit, or the Gundam with the red dragon, the red Astray. I forgot what the other one was. But the person who took on overall best was the perfect grade. I'll try to post a picture or a still shot here of which one I'm talking about, or put a clip of which one I'm talking about. That took first place. But it was fun. It was my first experience of entering a contest. I did do the speed build. Didn't win. I think I came in like close to last. And I knew, entry grade kit, Ultraman, like I said before. Didn't really know the kit, but I know how Ultraman kits work. I should have got first place. Should have. Nonetheless, I had fun. Can't wait for next year. Doing that really helped me out with maybe making some progress into customizing, painting details to these model kits, and I'm excited, especially when it comes to these like dioramas. So next year I'm gonna try to take home first overall, so wish me luck when that happens. And that's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching, y'all. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. Try to make sure any shameless plugs. Shout out to Mecha Warehouse. Go to Mecha Warehouse, use Funko Cop 10 for 10% off, or click the link in the description below that will automatically apply that code when you check out. Shout out to everyone again. I'm the Funko Cop 1042.